Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to update about the gap up and gap down trading stocks by charting scanner. So those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel. On our previous video, we are discussing about those stocks which is open by technically gap up. So when it forms a open low, so we are going to buy. When it forms a open high, we are going to sell. That is the main concept which we are playing with that using that particular gap up and gap down strategy. But now this video I'm going to play with the gap down. So this is what are the gap up code. So which I'm going to create that code which is very simple. So less than 1 day ago low, and nothing changes. The stock opened below previous day low, so that is called technical gap down stocks. And here I filter out the open low as well as open high. Now I'm going to save the scan as open technical gap up, technical gap down here. So I'm going to submit now. The scanner will work for a technical gap down. So those stock which forms a technical gap down, that is what the stock is opened below previous day low, and where it is forms a open high as well as the open low. So that will filter out using this stock, using this scanner. So we got a lot of stocks. How to play with these stocks and what kind of trade we are going to play after finding these stocks. So that is what very important, where I am going to focus here. This is the yesterday about Tata Motors, Tata Chemical, Deepak Nitrite, PNB, and AP LLT. So these are the stock which forms a technical gap down on 28th. So let's go for a Tata Motors. So Tata Motors here clear on 28th. The previous day low of the stock. Previous day low of the stock is 496, but next day market opened 493.9. So in this scenario, if you are playing with the options, you should take 495 put option or a 500 put option, that you should take. But from there 493 market is fallen down to 478, so almost some 15 points it fallen down. And even next day it started moving down to 467. Within 2 days the market is moving more than 20 points. 100% sure if you are taking a ATM options, you will be getting 10 plus rupees profit. So that is the logic. And previously here also be the same pattern which forms, but this is not a gap down, this is a gap up. So technical gap up 530. If I am buying a 530 put option, within 3 days I'm going to get such a huge benefit from that put option. That is what very important using this strategy. But here technical gap down, open high, I'm going to sell the stock. So this particular trade, technical gap down and open equal to high, sell future or buy put option, both works well. Simple the strategy which we are going to use for this trade. And some other stocks which form present at the Tata Chemical. So let's say Tata Chemical, perfect again. So open high around 960, from 960 it is coming down to 884. If I buy a 960 put option, so this is what a 28th, I think the nearby on the expiry day. So if I buy, so I cannot able to get that previous data. So if I trade with the November contract, so somewhere around 960 put option of Tata Chemical, let's say Tata Chemical 960 put option. If it is traded with good volume, so we can focus 960 put option, perfect. Where you see yesterday opening around maybe 72.70 after first 15 minutes. So from that particular 72 it reaches the maximum of 89. Such a good opportunity where we are playing with the options also based on this candlesticks pattern. That was working good at Tata Chemical, that was works good. And Deepak Nitrite, so let's say Deepak Nitrite, what happened, technical here, and you see that the Deepak Nitrite is perfectly playing with the 2 days. Here technical gap up, open equal to high, technical gap up, open equal to high. Here technical gap down, open equal to high. Clearly the trend is going down this day and this day, but if you are taking this position at this point, so you got a huge. Here also it moves well, and now it is forming a like a spinning top at bottom. So no other technical indicators are used here, only the price, how it reacts according to the opening of that market. And this open price, it looks good, and this one we seen most of the stock which is a technical gap down. And let's say PNB, what happened in PNB? Punjab National Bank, so it will also be 45 to 41. And APLLT, that has already fallen down, and one day it went up to APL 800 and 900 and 860. One day I seen that the stock, it is suddenly moves up. This one here, it forms a shooting star, and it broken around 820. The stock works here somewhere, and before yesterday it opened down from 755 and it fallen down to 739. I think this stock is not a good for option trading, because it is not a good with the volume, and it is a illiquid options which I traded last month, but the buyer sellers gap, so it's not good one. So I'm not focusing for option trade. So that is working well, the strategy working well, but this stock is not good for me. And here somewhere Colpol Nam India on 26th, Colpol Coal India, another grade up 26th na? Sorry, not coal, it is a Colpol. So here on 26th, it is forming a open low. Here, this is the important one I am searching for. Let us keep on going down. So the market open previous day below the low, so technical gap down and open equal to low, so we are going for a buy trade the day where it is ending with the positive. Next day it moves higher, but it closed by lower, but it moves from the entry point somewhere higher than our target price, or whatever the risk reward ratio based on the risk what you have taken, so that you can focus out. So when if you are playing with that open high open low concept, that will give you such a great opportunity. So you can go to back test, and or you can take a real test also after tomorrow, so next month, from Monday onwards you can play with that. So it may it give you a good profit. And thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to share to your friends, just share to your friends, and if you have any question, just comment on the comment box. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.